you are tasked to design a comprehensive HR consultancy business that offers key services and human resources, will require you to create a company profile, develop compensation and benefit plans, design employee relations and performance management strategies, and build a recruitment and selection process. So, this is the company detail na very important in what we're going to do. Basically, there will be two companies. One company is ang basis ninyo is kani, this one. Another company is ang kana ninyong i-create, which is the consultancy firm. Talking about additional company details, I'll share this with you guys. So when I say sa I'll share ba, mag-expect kung yun ang i-download right away. Dili kay sir, na-expire na ang link. Sir, nangayon pa mong notes, hindi naman dito ipa-expire. These are the deliverables. Open try nyo. It's so easy. Ha? So number one, this is just a single document. So one page na siguro ni or 3 pages sa inyong whole project. The company details. Di ba ipa-search ka mo ang company profile sa kani?
Yes.
I actually did that because I want you to try and see what are the things inside the company profile. So that served as your practice in making your own for your firm. Okay? So, ang details na kung i-expect nila ha, it's just the company name, vision, and any items here. So, when I talk about offerings, sinigabot din compensation and benefits, relations, employee relations and performance management, recruitment and selection, etc., it's all up to you to decide what you are going to offer to me. Basically, I am your customer, and this is the company that I want you to take a good look at. Okay? Sige. Company profile, it's only one document. We can even start doing this now, and we still have time. Next, compensation and benefits. So, there are 3 documents that I will get from here. One is the compensable factors. What are the example of compensable factors? It's there. Ha? Ang sa may compensable factors, kung magtrabaho ka, 1, bayaran ng oras. Ikaduha, bayaran mo skills. Ang sa pa, ikaduha, ikatulo, bayaran mo experience. So, ang akong expect dito for compensable factors, definition, that's just one document. Ikaduha, salary scale. This is one of the madugok mentioned in the part. And you can always ask questions on how to do it during consultation time. But here are the roles or the positions that I want you to make salary range or salary scale for. So, basically, it's divided into 4 departments. One, it's FOH, that's front of the house, customer facing. Number 2, back of the house, so not customer facing, BOH. Number 3 is our office department, responsible for the supplies, inventory, back offices. And then the last one, for safety, our security head and security personnel. Security and safety. Okay? I think the email lang yun. Last document na you have to do is the additional benefits. There are multiple benefits na employees are enjoying already. SSS PhilHealth Pag-ibig, those are government mandated benefits. 13th month pay is also legalized. So that's not included. What I want is additional benefits with program document. Now, what do I mean with program document? Health insurance should not be included now. It's common. What you can give, sige, I will consider as allowance.
Transportation allowance.
Sige, transportation allowance, okay. Your allowance, sige. Ang inyo kasi naman, kung saan na ninyo pag-explain, nga kani siyang additional benefit, realistic yun siya. Performance incentive, I will consider. Paid leaves, additional paid leaves, I will consider. Do you guys know that there is only, there's this leave na required lang for the government? What is this?
Vacation leave.
Dead leave.
Maternity leave, yes, it's required. How many days?
Di sa dinumuhan na.
It's approximately 3 months. So 90 days to 105 days. That's maternity leave. For paternity leave, that's also standardized na, and it is how many days? Only 7 days. For paternity. So, labot ha, but the only leaves na ipangayo sa government, not the sick leave and the vacation. The service incentive. It's just 5 leaves per year of service. So kung baka 1 year na ka-over, automatic na kay 5 ka leave credit. Okay? So what I am asking is additional benefit, a different one, be creative, think of something else that you can give. Christmas gift pwede, we can consider that. So let's So, Caroline, let's talk about the program document. With the program document, what I am pertaining to is how will the employee be able to get it. There's a criteria for judging na okay kung sa paternity benefit, ang criteria niya is kailangan kasado, kailangan na-ay birth certificate sa bata, or na-ay proof of miscarriage, if not-miscarriage ang wife. So, ano siyang criteria? But you have to write it in a paragraph form. Don't give me bullets lang, ulo sa gabi. Like, write it down. Like, in a very formal manner. Na employees will be able to enjoy such incentive or additional benefit considering the following terms. So, na-ay 7 additional benefits. So, basically, na-ay 7 ka program document. Pila mo kabog sa inyong teams? 6. Oh. So, wala kang ignore. Okay, that's it. So, kanin siya. Mawag kita 7 ta mo, kaya ako requirement ka sa garin, pag 7 to. Kaya I want you to only do 1 for 1 student. So, I believe it's not that heavy. Okay? Dapat lang siya tan-awan, overwhelming lang siya tan-awan. But okay? Next. Employee relations and performance management. I will have to decide what I will remove. Kaya upon explaining sa first na class, I felt that it was really heavy. So I'll try to reconsider and try to remove lang, then share final instructions for this. But for here on top, kaya what I have is 1, 2, 3. 3 items, but very many. Both, actually, yung talong ay bukas. The talong is bukas. Yeah. The talong is bukas, no?
Yes, sir. Sino-sino lahat, sir?
Yes, sir. No, for the COC, I really want you to do the COC. It's important because why? When you go out there and you do HR work, no one will teach you to do the COC. So mo na kailangan makatun mo here sa class. So for the code of conduct, I want you to base the violation that you can get from the movie review tag para hindi siya ma-wait. Kaya it's not just the okay, nag-movie na karon and then nag-answer ako sa review. Like movie review mga questions, then done nga. Dili siya yung anak. Akong giplan ang class nga kung unsa tong mga gipang storyaan nga gipabuhat, nakagihapon siya ilahing maigo by the end of the semester. Kaya para di sayang ang effort ba and time. So for the COC, take a good look at the Monsters Inc. There are multiple violations there. Try to identify what are the violations and create a COC out of that. Okay? Depende kung pila mo makita ang galo. Kung makakita kang tulo, batay bitaw din na karunong yung kumpanya, tulura na yung mga palisi. Try to see lang ako. Kung sa may nakalito sa Monsters Inc. Pages sa depende ninyo. Pwede. If you can do it by the end of the semester, sige. But you know, you also have to think consider nga, ang policy na dapat inyong nakuha from the Monster Inc. or ang violation from the Monster Inc. inyong nakuha should be mo-apply sa restaurant company details na akong ihatag. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Sige. So, 360 performance review. Let's not do that.
Yay!
So, focus with COC and performance appraisal through KRAs and KPIs. So, KRAs is the key result areas, and then for KPIs, key performance indicators. For every KRA, kay dapat na ay tulo sa KPI. KRA, KPI. Butang na to, sales growth. Mo na ang KRA. So, ang inyong KPI, there is an increase of 50% of the usual customers. Pwede siya na. Okay? Again, duha ka KRA, every KRA na ay tulo ka KPI. Alright? And you should do this for each position. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 positions times 2 KRAs equals 26. 26 times 3 equals wala pag calculator, I will just agree. So, 26 times 3, that's the total number of KPIs you're going to make. 26 times 3. Muna mo na kung mag-calculator. So, that's gonna do the part, the COC and the performance appraisal. All right, wala pang matana? Next. This is just a table para makatagal mo example for KRA and then KPI. So, KRA, ang dako nga area, improving team performance or increasing sales. And then, unsa ang KPI nga atong tag-awon? Sales growth percentage, customer satisfaction ratings. Buta na ito, KRA, improving team performance. So, unsa man ang iyang buhaton? So, let's say, there is an increased number of employee engagement activities. So, pila man ang engagement na increase dapat? If the employee engagement survey is only 50%, by this year, it should go up until 90%. Oh. There is a 40% increase from the last year's employee engagement assessment or employee engagement survey. So, muna ang KPI. Layo na kayo ko. Ha?
Unrealistic ano?
Makitaan.
Baka yun yung dapat siya sa
Kumukutan pa
example.
nila.
So, if na may pangutanan na lang mo ni Carla o ni Elshmir. But now, kidding aside, you ask questions ha, if ever di makasabot, di makabuka. Ngayon na din gano'n pangutanan. So, this is going to make it or break it. Equivalent with just ito ang P3 na score. Sige. And then, last one, recruitment and selection. We have here recruitment strategies, plan and budget. So I want you to develop 7 strategies for attracting top talent along with a plan and a budget. Do not consider the traditional approach. So for example, kung ingon ka, na magpa-TikTok contest ko, kay gusto ko makakuha og top talent, that's already one creative idea on how to do recruitment. Okay? So karon, kung saan man ang imong pagbuhat, now that will answer the plan na part. So you have to do kung saan mo na siya paghuna. So meron siya mechanics and criteria on how to do it. And then for the budget, pila man imong kailangan para sa kanang strategy. So imong ipang-list down what are the items na you need, pilay presyo, pilay total. That's the budget. Okay? So that's another document. Another document would be recruitment materials. So I will need one job poster out of the following position. Diba 13 many positions? All you have to do is just to choose one. And then make a poster. Okay? Now, second one, another brochure. So recruitment brochure. If the poster is like this, what's the voice of brochure?
Magazine.
Good job.
Email.
So, ang pinakabili sa brochure, ang makita ay ang
Baligya sa imo.
ang nakasunod sa brochure should be the 13 positions na. Kay job poster should only be one, and then sa brochure should be the 13 positions. It's really up to you on how to do the brochure. But the requirement is a brochure. Okay? You don't have to overdo it, ha? Madagdag sa big pages, big brochure. Just
Brochure, isa na brochure, asa na?
Recruitment. Ha?
Okay? Next,
Anong katong shoe chef? 13 ka po.
ako na lang ni Kuya para sa kanang grupo. Next,
Nita, ang cellphone. Oh.
one publication material for every recruitment strategy na imuhang ibuhat. So, nasa guy, pila to ka strategies?
7.
So, pila ka publication material ang buhat ng recruitment?
7.
So, kung magpa-TikTok contest ko, ang sa dagway sa publication material? Good job. Wala, sabot na si group. Okay na, baby. Oo, ha? Nag-suggest ko of recruitment strategy ka ganina.
Yeah.
And the strategy nga I share kay magpa-TikTok contest ko. So, unsaan ako siya? One, I will look for a talent na mag-do sa TikTok. Ikaduha, I will find an editor na mo-edit sa akong video para professional looking siya. Ikatulo, I will publish my video. Ikaupat, ako siyang i-promote kaya para mas daghan siya ma-cover ng mga viewers and possibly applicants sa akong company. So I already got 4 steps. So that's the plan. Ang sunod is the budget. Now, unsa man ang imong gastuhan? Nagkuha ko talent? Wala.
Wala.
Pila ang bayad sa talent? That's one item. Ikaduha, nagkuha ko video editor? Wala.
Nagkuha.
Pila akong bayad sa video editor? That's the budget. Sunod. Ako nang ikakap ko na. Sunod is akong gi-publish ang video. Is there payment for publication?
No.
TikTok is free. Libre naman siya. But when I promote the video, pilay bayad. Depende siya sa promotion. Kaya it could run for pila ka days and pila ka ibo ang imo ang gusto. You have to take a good look and research for that. Everything is online. Dara siya there.
So, magdepende ang inyong mga financial report according sa inyong mga strategies na nabigay.
Yes.
So, for example, mag-competition ko for my strategies, passing na is one of the prizes na.
Yes. It's really up to you on how you're going to do the budget because ikaw man ang nag-propose strategy.
Yeah, dili yung mga nag-i-influencer.
Ha?
Dili i-deploy
Daily?
real life kasi.
You have to make it realistic lagi. Okay, that's why I gave you the company profile kaganina. Kaya you have to base everything that you're going to do for the consultancy fit for the need of that company, which is the restaurant. So the HR firm na details, kay katulad sa inyong company profile. All the rest will be based na sa restaurant as your company. Okay?
Yes.
Nakuha na? Sure ko nakuha sa group 1. Sure ko nakuha sa group 4. Group 3. Come on. Okay lang? I just realized may napakatulog ng mga slides nila ako itong share. So that's why I'm trying to explain it as clearly as possible para same page na and same
Nangitong lang
direction.
ko.
Questions? Sige. Actually, when you start doing it, that's the time when you will have a lot of questions here. Alright, manpower and staffing. This is another one. So you have to estimate your staffing needs based on the company na need. So katong sa restaurant, if the restaurant operates between 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. every day, pila ka people yung kailangan sa resto according to chef, according to cashier, to service, to barista, and everything else. Output shall include a table of schedule for employees. So the one that I showed you kaganina. And as for other call, there's a better way to do it. Okay? So I will give you the authority to do that scheduling na ikaw rin yung decide how to do it. As long as the restaurant will operate from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. Okay? That's every day. Every day also. So dili mo day off or walay same a day off for everybody.
Following labor code, sir, no?
Ha?
Sa scheduling, 11 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Nakapollow ang book sa labor code for the week.
Yes. So make sure ka na ang number of hours, number of working hours, na dapat consider po natin mo. Sige. So, dapat ba sa ng preparation ay na? Dapat ba sa ng preparation ay na? So like, for example, nag-open ka 8 o'clock for the restaurant. Nga, naglatag pa na ina ang mga langis sa bangko, wapa kang arrange for ano may customer. That should not happen in the rest of the month. So you have to also consider na mag-allot of time for preparation. Kaya ang inyong kusina, kung magluto sila,
Definition lang. So,
Yes.
the 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. is technically
opening hours din.
sa sulod na customers.
Yes,
Not,
opening hours.
not part of the labor times in the party. So technically, natin yung mga scheduling ko.
Just one.
Kabutong ng
Okay.
cellphone.
Alright, ikaw na bahala sa yung staffing diet. Okay.
It's really all up to you how you're going to do the manpower and staffing plan. But just make sure na it's going to be one schedule table. Okay? Sige. Next, job description. Let's not do this one. Okay, I already asked you to do this.
Yay!
For competency mapping, we are going to do this. This is for each role the format for competency mapping, all you have to do is just really use your head and think. Then right, fill in. Alright? Napay pangutana. So you are going to submit the following. Company profile, 1. Compensable factors, 1 document. Salary scale, 1 document. Additional benefits, 1 document. Employee relations and performance, code of conduct, 1 document. No more 360 performance review. Performance appraisal through TRAs and KPIs. There are 13 positions with 2 TRAs with 3 KPIs. That should be under 1 document only. Pero so it's also a document, 13 positions. Okay? Next. Recruitment and selection strategies, 7. Recruitment materials, 1 job poster, 1 brochure, 1 publication material for each strategy. Manpower and staffing, only 1. So, schedule should be based on the operation hours, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. for the whole week. So that's 7 days off. You have to include the days off when you do the scheduling, okay? Job description, we are no longer going to do this one. Competency mapping, 1 document for each department. So meaning, FOH, DOH, Office, and Security, so 4 departments. And then each department under atong positions. And then the positions will have each competency for the competency mapping. Okay? Questions? So I will not see you after December 4. Today is 4,
Yes.
Yeah. December 11, no physical meeting. But if you decide to meet with your groups, you can definitely do that. And I highly suggest that you do that. And you can do it anywhere you want to do it. Like, I'm okay. Basta, there's something that you're doing for the class. And then, 16 to 18, I believe this is the exam time.
Sarap.
And then semester break, 23 up until, was it 6? So by January 6, January 8. By January 8, then we are going to meet again. And then we will see up until where natin yung progress.
So, wala,
Ha? Pwede, but if you like for me to write notes yun, automatic sa ilang document, mas maayo kayo para dili ka mag-miss. Makakita din mo sa notes straight away. Mansa pa?
Ano may oras?
Yeah, I will give you the freedom to let me do kung saan ako siya pag-check. It's okay, I don't know. Pamatay na? Questions? Wala na yung questions? Yes? Ha? I actually have, di ba itong consultation time nag-record was just between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pero I still respond to questions from the messenger diapol. So if you like to ask questions, you can message me there, then mag-respond ka sa ko whenever I can. But if ever di ko respond, okay, try to pick me again somewhere. If di ka sa email, I'm more active sa messenger group.
Sa restaurant, okay, fine dining.
Hmm?
Fine dining.
It's actually there.
4-star. Ano sa na siya?
Same type, dining style.
Sa ilang dining day. Sa ilang nga dining.
Okay?
naka-videographer dito, sir.
Sila na siya nakasinabot.
Yung pricing kayo, ay, just wanna make sure, mag-present ni og menu or no? Okay.
Wala may menu requirement there.
Sige, naman ko siya mid-range pricing good, so,
It's just additional details lang. I find it necessary tayo. So you'd have the idea of kung saan na tayo sa restaurant. But are you familiar with Dine?
Yeah.
Dine in Streetscape. So that's one example.
ayun sir.
Tightrope. That's also another example. Eat and restaurant in one montage. That's another example. Where else?
Okay, George.
Old George. The Old George in Ayala. You can consider that one also. Ayala School. What else? Questions? Wala na? For those na napay pangutana, kay you can come near me so we can talk. Sa mga wala na pangutana kay Merry Christmas.
Yay!
I'll see you guys January. But of course, even if I'm away, you can still contact me na, especially during class